the day abantu beshintsha behlangana nje ubona amaZulu ekwazi ukuhlangana nabakaXhosa the day kwahlangana nabeSuthu kwahlangana whoever
bahlangana eMaswati
sahlangana sayibamba sathi gophethe emhlabeni yabo and it's going there and people are getting tired you understand ugovernment udlale kakhulu ngabantu and uyena ugovernment lo wenza ukuthi kuze kwenzeke lezi zinto ezenzeka manje because ibona allow these things to happen why kwamanye amazwe ingenzeki lento le
mara mina ngathi ngicabanga ukuthi nayo i-government nakavuma for le match lecaliwe icalwa ngini maZulu uma avuma ngicabanga ukuthi naye usa-strategize how to support le match lenkulu nakangaka.
I don't think mina they want to support anything. Mina ngibuka ubaba uphakela umthakathi nobaba ungizwe emculo ukuthi banesibindi uyabo basanawo lento I think kuvuke mina amakhehla amakhosi akudala and they living through those people we understand yibo babanika lesibindi sokuthi you know what now we are sick and tired yonke lento yenzakalayo nje udoti uyabo sokumanilwe ilembe lalingeke lize livume yonke lento le you understand I don't think ukuthi ikhona inkosi engavuma le and uyabona ukuthi embusweni kaMisuzulu even igama lakhe is giving ukuthi uzowumisa uZulu because I think he's involved lento ukuthi we can't be played by abantu bangaphandle bazokwenza umathanda because ibulala ini isithunzi sikaZulu isithunzi somnyama you understand ne culture yethu as abakaXhosa as amaZulu as whoever who exists as South Africa you understand baqhamuke emazweni nabo bazokwenza izinto ezibhedayo la do you know ukuthi manje sebasigwaza nokusigwaza manje bakhulekile manje then wagcina nobona i-tuck shop irunwa umuntu waselokishini
it's been long
you understand abantu bangaphandle you understand bafika badayisa izinto ezipoisonous that kills our children kumele senze njani smile we cannot be smiling we cannot be laughing into engahlekisi you understand and if kumele ukuthi kubhedu kumhlaba ushunqe that's what's going to happen we can't say abantu abame ukwenza no kuzoliwa let's fight for what ours ngeke ngene umuntu kini erephu siswakho bese uthi wena kuhlalwe phansi kuxoxo never you understand so if akuliwe until government ebona ukuthi we not playing anymore you understand and government nalamaqembu la siwavotela nawatakwa ukuthi siyawavotela if you can stop and say you know what we're not voting we are tired now indaba zamaqembu let's do one thing esizovuma ukuthi irule we need one president we need iqembu elilodwa we need one president we can make it as black people
we can